Today, we will show you how MeshInspector's Lattice Modifier lets you manually reshape your meshes. The Lattice Modifier applies a deformation grid to your model, enabling adjustable transformations. You can modify the object by moving control points within the lattice. First, let's make sure your mesh has enough triangles for deformation. If it is too low poly, you will need to add more. To visually check the density of triangles, right-click the object in the scene tree and enable edges, or press the shortcut key L. In our case, the density is sufficient for mesh deformation, but if your mesh is too low poly, add more density. Go to Mesh Repair, select Subdivide, and enter the desired triangle count. We will add 10,000. Click Apply. Hit L once more to visualize the edges and confirm that the mesh has additional triangles. Now, our lattice modifier. Head over to Mesh Edit and click on it. You will see a deformation grid appear. One can adjust the resolution of this grid along the X, Y, and Z axis. Higher resolution gives you more control points, but it also makes the grid more complex. You can set 2 to 4 points per axis. Here, we are using 3 for X, 4 for Y, and 3 for Z. Click Reset to update the grid. To start editing, click and drag the control points. What if a control point is hidden behind? There is a handy feature, Ignore Occlusion. It lets you interact with control points even if they are not directly visible. To reveal hidden points, lower your opacity. Once you are done with edits, you can either close the Lattice Modifier tab or click Reset to apply a new grid around the modified shape. Let's bring the opacity back to normal and show you one more feature. You can apply the Lattice Modifier to a specific area. For example, the left wing. Go to Select, click Select Primitives, then choose the region. Your selected primitives will turn red. Run the Lattice Modifier again. It will only affect that area. Since we are working with a smaller section, we will reduce the number of control points. Click Reset, and then reshape the left wing. MeshInspector makes advanced mesh editing intuitive and accessible.